Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling how to access Safepal wallet in 2025. Safepal is one of the most secure hardware and software wallets out there, perfect for storing your cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. By 2025, with advancements in security and user interfaces, accessing your wallet is even smoother. But don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this in no time. First things first, make sure you have the Safepal app installed on your smartphone or access it via their official website. Head to the App Store or Google Play Store and search for Safepal Wallet. Download and install it. It's free and takes just a minute. Once that's done, open the app. You'll see a welcome screen. If you're a new user, you'll need to create a wallet, but for this tutorial, let's assume you're returning and want to access an existing one. Next, you'll be prompted for authentication. In 2025, Safepal has enhanced its security with options like facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, or a simple PIN. Choose your preferred method and verify your identity. This step is crucial for keeping your assets safe from hackers. Now, if you set up your wallet with a seed phrase, you'll enter that next. Remember, never share your seed phrase with anyone. It's your digital key to your funds. Once authenticated, you'll land on the main dashboard. Here, you can view your balances, transaction history, and even swap assets directly in the app. One cool update for 2025 is the integrated AI assistant, which can help you with quick tips or alerts for market changes. To access specific features, like sending crypto, just tap the Send button, enter the recipient's address, and confirm the transaction. Before we wrap up, a quick word on security. Always use a strong password, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your app updated. That way, you're protected against the evolving threats in the crypto world. There you have it. Accessing your Safepal wallet in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there and happy investing.